much the same as a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible by road. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and materials to the various sites by helicopter employed in the process. For the new rotating tram cars, the improvements included new cables, drive system, and the removal of some 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks of rock fake to indicate where rock.
Everybody does that.
The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente band of Coy
Looks like
Indians.
that's following.
Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left of it, or south of the tram car, is but one of the many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different life zones, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey. As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitioned from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion results in the car moving from the flexible track to the tower and back to the flexible track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. And all moving parts
Glad the Swiss made this.
Swiss made. The towers are American made. There's a total of 27 miles. The largest of these are the track cables on which we run. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length. Therefore, weighing a total of more than 60 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3.
Hey, I think that's the last tower,
The
sir.
downward car is traveling faster than the car.
Oh, whoa, look up.
Moving at exactly the same speed. Because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The Palm Springs aerial tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Cross, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original it was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million, all financed sales of revenue bonds. In April of 1998, Palm Springs aerial tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramways to undertake the construction and installation of these new rotating tramways, one of which we were right, at a total cost of $12 million. Just as at the very beginning, no tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway was restored.
Guys, hold on for tower 3, bigger swing.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span of the cable stretching Star is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip, the majestic spire of Volcano Cathedral Rock, visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole, and fir. Natural residents in high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
And look, clouds.
The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. There, the view is truly You will be able to see the city and large at 11,499 feet. California. We are nearing the end of our journey now, and the state park in wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails, and in winter, many miles of snowshoeing across country ski
I saw it.
One of the very few wilderness areas in Southern California, and has been designated one moderately easy trail. Those who wish to adventure beyond the nation, please stay on the prepared trail. So this magnificent wilderness
Next time you're in the middle.
in the mountains, you'll discover the Tram restaurant.
Love the clouds.
As well as a gift and apparel shop. A video of the information is shown in the small theater. From the first deep snow to the spring, the Adventure Center is in operation with snow tubing, shoeing, cross-country ski equipment rental, the center, and the concrete trail to